How to delete your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Instagram account. Well, after the latest update, the steps are changed, but the process itself is actually pretty simple in order to delete your account. So let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up Instagram and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner. And now here, simply head into Account Center. Once you're on the Account Center page, you shall find the option that says Personal Details under Account Settings. So you want to tap on Personal Details option and then head into Account Ownership and Control option. Under it, you'll get two different options, that is Memorialization and Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Once here, if you have any multiple accounts linked, you want to simply tap on the particular Instagram account that you wish to delete. There, simply make sure that the blue circle or the blue check mark is on the delete account option. If you wish to deactivate account, then you can set it on deactivate account as well. But if you wish to delete account, make sure it is on delete account option. Tap on continue. It will ask you for your password. Enter in your password and your account will be deleted. So this is how you can easily delete your Instagram account. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.